What could he do for me? I told him that my love is free, but can you match me? I can do it all for myself. Want you, but really don't need help. So can you match me? I like luxury, I like fancy things. Shine on my body, live like royalty, treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. La 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 lux. La 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 la. I'm serving rich Auntie Chloe B. I know my job is a blessing, but if you take me, rocks on my wrist, fur on my feet, setting the table in all the chic. Baby, come eat. I like luxury, I like fancy things. Shine on my body, live like royalty, treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. I work too hard, oh my. We come so far, oh I. Cover these scars and diamonds. Every day I'm alive, it's giving nuts, yeah. I work too hard, oh my. We come so far, oh I. Cover these scars and diamonds. Every day I'm alive, it's giving lux, yeah. La 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 la.
Of course I had to come back for you. Of course. Sana, I am back. Did I even greet you guys in this vlog? I don't think so. Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing great. Let's do a quick haul of the things that I got. There's a lot of plastics. And not because I got a lot of things. Mainly because the person who was packing in there, she put like little things in one bag. By the way, let's start with the first bag. I'm gonna start with Checkers. Have some all brand. And then I got 2 strawberries. It was 2 for 50 rand and one of them is like 37 rands. And then Schweppes dry lemon. And then honey. Sana, why is honey expensive, Vele? I was even shocked. This one was on sale though. It was, I think, 70 rands. It was the cheapest one. All the others were about 110, 95 rands. What? So yeah. Then I got Sana. This thing is spilling. Is Is it open? It is. Okay, I got some lemon. We're done with the first bag. Then, yo, trying not to break anything here. Got some, what's this? Spaletta. And then mixed peppers. Lamb. No, I'm lying. Pork, and then some beef strips. And then we got some chicken. We got some chicken. And we got bacon. It was also on promotion, 2 for 80 rands if I'm not mistaken, but it's there in the previous clips. So I just got 2 of them. And then I hope I don't break this egg. 30 eggs. Oh, these are things actually from Clicks. Just didn't ask for a bag. So I got like sheet masks. 3 of them. Yeah, 3 of them. 2 for, what is it for? I guess it had a transforms dull tight skin. And then the other one is just for a hydration sheet mask. And I got 2 body lotions. Also on promotion. I think that's all I got from Clicks. Yeah, that's it. And then another bag. Oh, Sana. Don't know how I'm even gonna put these things. Like, it's getting full here. Biltong from Monate Biltong, of course, I need to get that. Then got masala chai. I don't know, Sana. I'm obsessed with like hot beverages. Even if I have 5 types of teas in the house, I'm gonna stress cash up. And then yogurt. 2 of them. And then aromat. Aromat refill. I actually buy this once a year. I bought this earlier this year, January or February, when I moved to school. And it only finished like a week ago. So bought another refill because it's like 3 packs inside and it does last me. Then I got mayo. Checkers brand because cost of living in Klabenika cereal. It's not for everybody. And then tuna. Wait, am I shooting with cinematic? Wait. I think we fixed it. Because it was blurring out the things I'm showing you guys. And then lemon and pepper seasoning. My sister actually introduced me to the spice when she was here. We were using it to like marinate the meat. And I was like, my girl, thank you. And then some peanuts and raisins to snack on. Listen, now when am I finishing? Some snacks. 3 Doritos. It was 3 for $50, if I'm not mistaken. Lay's. The only flavor that matters here, Lay's. And then what's this gonna? Oh, it's biscuits. And then rice. Then they gave us these toys again. A lot of these things. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. I honestly don't know. And then we got Sata Skin. And then washing powder. And then the last bag from Checkers, we have Domestos, Sunlight Liquid Refill, Checkers brand Sana, and then Mr. Muscle, and then Aqua Fresh toothpaste, and then we got Jik. This also lasts me a good amount of time, hence I like buying the big ones because this one is about to finish. So I was like, let me just get a refill. And I just got Dettol. 3 for 40 rands. I think we are done with Checkers. Finally. And then, yo, hi, this is too heavy. I'm not gonna lift it. Went to game. I went for the special as always. This 2 liters, 3 for 1 sana 1 mang. I did, but it's there in the previous clips. So I got the cranberry cooler and apple, clear apple, and another clear apple. Yeah, 2 clear apples because they didn't have like much options. So we just got that. And I got some water, flavored water, and then more peanuts and raisin snacks. Then got this Future Life. Yeah, Future Life. And then I got this. I actually wanted to drink this like once we were done, okay, because I was thirsty. That's all that we got. Is it? Yep. So these are all the things that we got. Look at the mess, Sanalam. You guys can't even see. But yeah, those are all the things that we got. Right now, I'm about to pack these things and then head out to Belt to go and like look for food to eat. Because it's against the... What am I saying? It's against the law to cook the same day you bought groceries. Like, you need to let them marinating and all the finish in the house. And then maybe start cooking tomorrow or after 2 days. So yeah, I'm just gonna grab something to eat and then we're gonna call it a day. So I'll see you guys.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. 'Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you be, 'cause I gotta know. Let me know when Mayday, Mayday. Is there anybody who can help me, help me? I don't think my heart is working lately, lately. I can hear it calling for you, yeah, yeah. You show me beauty and life. You put me first all the time. No wonder I'm on a high when I'm with you, when I'm with you, oh yeah. You like the things that I like. If you don't know, you always give it a try. No one can blame me for crying when I'm without you, when I'm without you, yeah. Know you got dreams of your own, sure you got places to go, but I just want you alone, oh yeah, yeah. I know it's hard to be you, all the things you need to do, but baby, it's hard for me too, oh yeah, yeah. Mayday, Mayday, is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working lately, lately. I can hear it calling for you. We never said exclusive, I just promised you my time, and I'm giving it to you, babe. So why you being accusive? Your emotions running wild. If you don't calm down, I can't stay. Breathe in, breathe out, let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie, I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Baby, can't
Sana. Wow. Let's try this again, Sana. Yo. Good morning. I hope you guys are doing great. If you wanna know how this thing tastes like, now, heaven, Sana. It literally tastes like heaven. Like, that's the best description I have. Okay, so yeah, it's a beautiful morning, and I just have a lot of work to do, schoolwork to do, to be specific. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do right now. We're just gonna secure the bag, Sana. Honestly, we're just gonna secure the bag and just put some work, meet deadlines, and study because exams are coming up. But for now, I just want to complete my assignments first, and then we can actually start studying. So let's go and work. Heaven in a cup. Heaven in a cup. Let's go before I finish this in one sitting.
You say you changed, but you never changed. 44, 22. You build it up to break it halfway through. Just make the call. 22, but you're just the same as I ever knew. 44, 22. You build it up to break it halfway through. Just make the call. 22, but you're just the same as I ever knew. 44, 22. You build it up to break it halfway through. Just a call. Make the call. 22, but you're just the same as I ever knew. Listen. Could it be you calling me down? Yeah. My foolish heart turns at the stars. All that I am is all that you see. You don't need nobody else, and you're putting this all on me. Forgive me. There's a time and a place for all this. This is not the place for all this.
Guys, I'm actually craving a hearty meal, you know, something like pap with stew or sam, you know, something nice, man. But I'm lazy to cook that, so I'm just gonna fill my stomach and I'm just gonna make mince with rice, and that's what I'm gonna have for dinner. But this mince, it's like, it's small, man. But also, what was I expecting? It was literally like 30 rands. You know, it's small, so I'm just gonna add it with mixed vegetables, so I just increase the portions, so that I increase the portion of the mince, because I want it to last for like a good amount of days. I don't think I'm gonna be cooking anytime soon, so yeah, let's cook dinner. Let's cook dinner.
Is there a reason why you're saying noise? Can we talk about it later. Yeah. I've got a right on. With you is where I belong. You've been down from the go. Recognition's what you want, and it's something that I should know. It's something that I should know. All the things that we went through, girl, I never meant to put you through it twice, no. Tell me, how can I right my wrong? It's something that I should know. All the things that we went through.
I had a few chicks fight it out for me. Tell me, baby, would you slide for me? Keep the Glock 40, holding it down for you. You know I'm good in the hood, bust a couple jobs for you, yeah. When you wanna know, I'm still come up for you. Blowing bands to make you feel lovely. When I'm gone, will you still think of me? I need to know for sure. How you gonna throw it away? How you gonna sit and act like you was nothing, yeah? How you gonna throw it away? How you gonna make it so dang hard to explain? How you gonna throw it away? Throw it away, throw it away. Let it go, let it go, let it go. Let it go, let it go, let it go. You don't know me. You don't know me. You don't know me like I know you, yeah. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but
I also made some coleslaw, so I'm just gonna add this and then we're gonna have dinner. I don't know what's happening, but lately I've just been obsessed with coleslaw sana. I just want to have it with any and everything. So yeah, tastes too good.
Where's the time been gone? Been about 3 weeks, wanna come and see me, boy, your time is up. Wanna play with my heart, you get left in the dark, I've been tired of us. You make it hard to love, you know you're so toxic, love. I love so hard, it hits so different. But you're ungrateful, I'll admit it. So I sit back to leave our pictures. You know I'm not.
Good morning, you guys. I hope you guys are doing great. It's actually the following day, and I don't know, I feel a bit congested. I don't know if I'm getting flu or what's happening, but going off. So yeah, I'm heading out now to go to campus. I have a class on campus, an 8 a.m. class. Actually, I had the option to attend from home, which is online, or go to campus. Mara, now, when I woke up, there's no electricity. I'm just there like, okay, what's happening? So yeah, I'm just gonna attend go campus because I'm forced to attend go campus sana. But at least like I had warm water because my geyser is like always on. So yeah, actually I'm gonna go to campus because I'm not feeling well, but I missed Tuesday's class sana, so I have no choice but to go there. So yeah, let's go sana, let's go. Oh, my voice. Lego.
Lazy and broke. You know I get this money, so girl, please don't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cost a thing. I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. I wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Do 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 do. Yeah. Listen. Yeah. Yo. Tell me,
fellas, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about her smile?
I am back from campus now, and I also just got myself pie on my way home. Cause irintlala, yo. So yeah, I'm just gonna eat that now, and then probably just drink some flu medication and sleep an alarm. Cause I'm honestly not feeling well. But yeah, let's go. Where are we going when I'm saying let's go? Let's go eat.